Guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. Go to settings. In settings, tap on sounds, tap on ringtone. You can change the ringtone here. So for example, this one. If you tap on notifications, you can change the notification sound. And I like this one. If you go back and tap on the charging sound, we could change it. I like this one. Tap on volume. And we can change the volume of these. Tap on system sound. We could turn off touch interaction. Now, see the screen will not make sure. I like to keep that on. And yeah, if we tap on off up there, outside we turn on silent mode. If we tap on play sound, it will make that sound. So bye. And thank you for watching this video.